Weekly closure, man. Weekly closure, man. So it has been a tough week. I won't lie. I even give myself time to give up, but I can't give up. I tried my best to give up. I didn't give up. And somehow I'm back on this mic and back on these chats. I don't know what to call that. If it's not resilience or whatever it is. I don't know what I have developed. But it's very interesting. I took another loss. So I never had a trade on gold. I did not take this trade on Bitcoin. But if I trade this setup, I will be in profits. Where is it? There we are. If I took this setup, I will be in profits. But somehow I didn't take it. No lies here. Honesty and transparency. So I didn't have a trade on oil. I only had a trade on USD. And now USD decided it's time to test our psychology and our resilience levels. I took this setup very well, nice and clean, got in the market. It did not give it did not only take me out, but it did not give me even time to think. Okay. So this loss was very devastating, but because I blew up another account. This year the accounts I have funded, I can't tell. The accounts I have funded, I can't tell. Okay. So the reason as to why I'm saying I can't give up is because I'm very strong when it comes to things. I just go outside there, find money, come back. But this time, I wanted to quit, but I can't quit, as I said. I have a very, very tough mindset. This mindset, I developed it over time. Trading, business, and other things. But sometimes in life, you are tested by the market. This is the fun bit of the market. You're tested. And when you're tested, and you fall in the temptation of the test, or you quit during the period of test, you'll never make it. My trading strategy has been making me money for a while now, but recently, out of nowhere, for the past I think 1.5 months, it has not been working, man. It has not been working. The strategy has been hitting stop loss. So first of all, I discovered the more pairs I had, the more I did not concentrate on my strategy, so I reduced them to 4. The initial pairs I already had when the strategy was working before adding others. So after having these 4, I had 6. So I removed 2 and went back to 4. Now in these 4, I'm realizing a pattern. Some are not working, some are working. Okay. For example, in this setup, this is a USD long. I was in a very big loss. Okay, I was taken out and blah blah blah. So when it comes to BTC respected our strategy, but it did not give us a single confirmation that prevented us from taking the setup. Where is it? So we do not have a single confirmation. That's the reason as to why I did not take the trade. Okay. I did not have a single confirmation, but when it came to USD, I had all the confirmations. So what I'm doing currently, I'm working on myself. Okay, I won't change anything because the strategy, as I said, has been working. I'll just have to refine, understand, and know what's wrong with it. That's why I'm reducing pairs. So right now, as you can see, USD is on the bottom. I have moved it back to the bottom because these two are not respecting my trading strategies. Okay. But when it comes to these two, bro, they are respecting my trading strategy to the T. So I will focus on this after I make money this weekend and fund. By Monday, you'll have money to fund. That's one thing I'm certain, because I am that certain. So when it comes to next week, I will be focusing on these two. It is gold, BTC. That's all I'll be focusing on, and I will be observing this. I won't remove these pairs for now because they have been respecting my strategy. But currently, I don't know what is happening, but I will be very observant on them. Not taking off trades, just observing and being sure they are respecting my strategy. If they are not, I'll find a pair that is respecting my strategy. Sometimes it's not the strategy, sometimes it's the pairs. Okay, sometimes it's the strategy. So that's why I'm saying I'm working on me, my strategy, and pairs. Those are the 2-3 things I'm working on. Me, that's my psychology. and my mindset. 2, the trading strategy that I have been using for a very long time that has been giving me money. And 3, the pairs. Okay, I learned that pairs sometimes affect your strategy. Okay, I learned your mindset or your psychology can affect your strategy. Okay, I learned the market can be up to you sometimes, but that's not for me. I don't believe in that. I know it happens, but not all the time, because sometimes you just have to adjust to the market. So I'm adjusting to the markets. I'm moving with the markets how they are coming. So as we come to the end of this week, this is where traders are made. Come at the end of the week with another account gone, you'll find money come fund and wake up tomorrow like nothing happened and trade. Okay, because this is what we want. We want nothing else. We want trading to make sense to us. We want to make money through trading, no matter what it takes. I'll come back to this video because this is a video where I'm being made. I'm being refined. As a trader, I'm being refined. I'm tested, and I know when this is done, I'll be one of the most profitable traders. But we will come back to these videos at a time, because it's normal to have a losing streak. It's nothing big. It's another thing as a trader. So, it's for now. That's all out. Let's have a blessed weekend.